Managing these beasts takes respect. They're powerful, you see, but raising them right, that's what we do here, and I'm bloody proud of it.
It's secured.
Watch the tail, wrap them up.
He's strong, hold him steady. Ready, everyone. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Heave.
The straps on the third one. Copy that.
Them steady. The tympanic membrane is clear. Please log that the ear exam is complete and optimal.
The last one here, secured.
All right, confirming the count now.
Health check is good to go.
You want to follow the natural seam right here to maximize the tail yield. See how the knife tracks along the bone?
Is the temperature holding steady at third floor?
Yes, sir. Perfectly stable.
Easy back, easy back.
A little more to the left. All right, hold it right there. Cut the engine.
Rápido con este, control de temperatura.
Escaneado. Ya está listo para la red.
Okay, slow it down now. Left side clear, bring it back a foot, then stop.
Okay, bring it forward another foot.
Copy. Latches securing. Pallet locked.
Okay, the priority pallet is coming down now.
Received. Bringing the dolly forward.
Documentation check complete. Proceed to cold storage.
The temperature is perfect. Move these crates directly to the meat locker quickly now. Everything in order, Chef?
Yes, the temperature is perfect. Please confirm receipt here. Gentlemen, the Crocodile is here. Chef de partie, I want you on this immediately. Let's make something spectacular.
The Crocodile is sustainably farmed and air freighted fresh, giving it a unique, delicate flavor profile.
And the accompaniments are locally sourced.
One Crocodile, walking in now.
Heard, Chef.
3 minutes, table 7.
The culmination of your culinary journey this evening, the whole roasted crocodile, presented tableside.
This is our pan-seared crocodile tail, sourced sustainably from the Northern Territory. It's served with a wild passion fruit reduction.
Oh, that looks absolutely stunning.
You have to try this. It's surprisingly mild, very clean flavor. The texture is like a denser, more refined chicken.
This crocodile is surprisingly tender. The marinade is incredible.
It really is. What an amazing culinary adventure.
To us, to us.
And then he realised the gate was open.
You're kidding me. What happened then?
Had to buy him a new hat.
Looks like they're ready to eat this morning.
Yeah, the big ones are already moving.
Morning.
Did you catch the game last night?
Nah, mate, early night. Big week ahead.
Another early start, eh? Yeah, grab a coffee inside.
Health declarations confirmed. Proceed to gowning and ensure all hair is covered.
Check the display for the updated quality scores. Are we ready to begin processing?
Yes, sir. All set here.
Clear on the left. Keep coming.
All right, let's see the manifests. Everything matched the PO for the Gala region shipment.
Yes, all accounted for.
Okay, CF2847Q3 is secure. Vitals look stable, he's tracking well.
We are bringing it down slowly now. Watch the tail clearance.
Respiratory rate is stable. Skin and eyes appear healthy.
The spray tunnel uses a combination of chlorinated water and organic acid rinse to reduce surface bacteria.
Make sure that tail cut is clean. We need the precision.
Dạ vâng thưa anh, tôi sẽ làm cẩn thận.
Next carcass ready at station 3.
No sawing needed. Find the joint, apply firm pressure, and it releases without chipping the bone.
Copy dispatch. Rolling south on the Stewart Highway. See you in Darwin.
High loader, confirm positioning for the Crocodile meat container. Roger that. Alignment looks good. Pushing in now.
Maintaining the internal temperature, the container's insulation provides additional protection during any temperature fluctuations. The flight is smooth and uneventful.
Scan confirms the origin and temperature log.
All right, everything seems to be in order. Apply the clearance stamp.
Here is the Australian crocodile, chef. Maintain at -1 degree.
Excellent. The quality looks superb. We will take it.
The quality is superb. Let's sous vide it first, then a quick char on the cornrow grill.
Excellent idea, chef.
to a successful launch, and the Crocodile is exquisite.
Cheers, I agree completely.
Fire Crocodile Table 12.
This is the grilled Australian crocodile tail, marinated in our special blend of spices and served with a mango reduction.
It looks absolutely stunning.
This is incredible. The texture is so tender.
It really is unique.
Definitely worth the price for this experience. I have to put